everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So yes, we are back with another quick and easy sewing tutorial. So today we will be creating a Kleenex Cozy holder or cover, whatever you decide to call it, right? Enough talking. Okay, so you will need two pieces. One measures 5.5 by 7.5, and then we have a 5.5 by 6.5. Okay. So I have cut out my two pieces here. This is my main fabric, and this will be like my offset. And the first thing I did was place both ends together, right sides facing each other. And you will see this little bulkiness right here, but I will show you what we're going to do with that in a second, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your sewing machine. You're going to create a straight stitch going down both sides. Okay, so I have sewn down both of my sides, and now you have something that looks like this. So let's go ahead and turn it right sides out. Okay, so we just have a little bit of the yellow showing, and that's exactly how I want it to look. Just a little bit over, and then I'm going to use my iron to press this down. And then we will go ahead with the next step. Okay, so of course I watched a couple videos and then I just put everything together and came up with my own. And some of them had just, just flat, nothing really like a holder or anything on it. So I wanted to create like a little holder where you could put like on a keychain or a ring on it. So I have this little random piece of paper, random fabric, scrap fabric. So I'm just going to fold it in half to find my center first. Press it down. Okay. So once I found my centerpiece, and now I'm going to take both of my sides and I'm going to place them in the middle to meet the middle line. And now I'm going to press that down. Okay, so once that's have been placed down, now I'm going to fold it over one last time, like so. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew a straight stitch going down on both sides. Now our handle is complete, and now we have something that looks like this. You want to fold that in half. You want to find the center of your project. And you're going to have both of the raw edges touching each other. I'm going to push it out just a little bit so I make sure that it doesn't go in the inside when I start to sew. And you want to just pull over both pieces to the middle. Now I don't want to overlap them. So I don't want to overlap like so. I want to just put it, I want them to meet right at the tip. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of my Wonder clips. One on each end. Making sure that it lines up properly. Okay, so this is my first time lining it up like so. So let's see how it turns out. And then we're going to go back to the sewing machine. We're going to create a straight stitch going down on both sides. Okay, so I finished sewing down both sides. Now you can be done with your project once you have snipped off the excess fabric. You can be done. Now, what I'm going to do is, because I don't want my raw edges showing in the middle, and I don't want any fraying going on, I'm going to create a zigzag stitch on both ends. Okay, now we are done with that step. As you can see, it looks a little better. It looks more professional. So I like when I use the zigzag stitch. Now, I don't have a serger, so that's why I use a zigzag stitch. So right now, the last step is to turn your project right side out like I'm doing. And okay, I want to make sure I get my corners good. So I'm going to grab this paintbrush and just get my corners out really good. Okay, working on the last two sides. Okay, all done. Now this final step I am gonna do, which is definitely a preference. I'm just gonna go ahead and iron it down one more time. And while I have the iron on there for a few seconds, this is the very first one that I created. Now, as you can see, I did overlap this one. So now it's only one seam showing, but I wanted to see what the difference would be. And I also put some stabilizer in this one. For this one, as you can see, I didn't put anything. So I just wanted to see what the difference will be. So you can tell the movement. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. Place our Kleenex inside. And yeah, this one open from the bottom is one of the ones that open like this. So all you have to do is just cut a little slit in the middle. And then you can have it to where it's exposed that way. But this is it. This is our finished project. It turned out really cute. I like it. So leave me a comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. So did you like this one? This fabric is super cute. I like both of the fabrics. And look at this one. Okay, so let me know which one is your favorite. If you give this a try, make sure you tag me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Now take that sewing machine out that box and create something. Until next time, bye.